I can see 'em, I can't go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Delicious chocolate-flavored cereal made with Hershey's cocoa. Woo! Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs! Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs!
Happens every time.
Charms.
He's in that cave.
Up here, laddies.
Hey! Watch it! Meow!
Yo-ho, laddies. Up here. No wonder they're after me, Lucky Charms. Just a new oat cereal with marshmallow bits and lucky shapes. Yellow moons, green four-leaf clovers, orange stars, pink hearts. See 'em mixed right in with the oat cereal. Tis a charming cereal, simply charming. A shortcut, I'll take it. Tis luck to catch a leprechaun, but nobody can.
Catch a pack of Lucky Charms. Charmin'. A Big G cereal from General Mills.
Fix the propeller yet, Sonny?
It fell off, Gramps. How do we get home?
Hey, I know. Sonny can't resist Cocoa Puffs because Cocoa Puffs make breakfast taste like chocolate. With Sonny down there, we don't need a propeller.
Is it fixed, Gramps?
No, boy, but thanks to Cocoa Puffs, we can walk home.